In the beginning, there's nothing. Then suddenly, there's everything. Your business starts to breathe without you. It comes alive, so you grow, you hire. At first, it feels like relief. You're no longer responsible for doing everything. But soon you realize even when you're not responsible, you're accountable. You have your own work on top of that. Somehow, some way, the work gets done. But does it? How do you know? Being accountable without visibility is like flying blind into the storm. But that's where SheetOps comes in. Built from the ground up in Google Sheets, software you already know how to use, connected seamlessly with Google Tasks, Google Calendar, and Gmail, SheetOps is not just a spreadsheet dashboard, it's a command center. It gives you command over your chaos. It builds confidence that things are not just assigned, they're actually done. SheetOps keeps you on top of your empire. Here, let me show you how it works. So we have a tasks tab where we can add tasks, and we have a number of interesting automations that happen. Go up to SheetOps, new task, new video for YouTube, click OK. And now we have a created date, and we can assign this. We can say, hey, who is doing this? Well, me. Well, if it's someone else, we also have their email address and phone number here. If we want to email them, we can do that. SheetOps. Quickly email, and it's going to open Gmail, and it's going to create an email to them. But where did this come from? Well, we can pre-write that in our settings here, right there. There, you can just edit that all together. You have other emails like canceling the task follow-up, update request, quick reminder. There's a tab of all the emails, and they are personalized. So you can select any row, and it'll automatically fill in who it is, their name, the task, the due date. Let's say you complete it. If you complete it, it's going to move it to the completed tab, so it's off of your to-do list. You can click there, and every time you complete it, it'll send an email saying, hey, this is completed. You don't have to work on this anymore. Done. We can even create task templates where we have a certain number of tasks that go in a certain order and have certain number of days between each one. Oh, you want to talk about recurring tasks? We can have recurring tasks run every day, every weekday, every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, any day of the week. We can have this automatically added to our task list. Then we just assign it, and then it gets done, right? Well, what's getting done and what's not getting done? What needs updating, what's not started? Here's a tab that shows all of the tasks grouped by status. You have a calendar if you want to look at it in a calendar format. You can see the entire week. You have a dashboard to see how many tasks are by assignee or by status, what's due today, what's due this week. You also have emails that you can get sent to you each and every day that has this information. So you don't even have to check this sheet. You can have it just emailed to you, or you can have it emailed to you every week and say, hey, here's what's on your plate this week. This is SheetOps, and here's all of the features involved. Get it today over at bettersheets.co/SheetOps.